Hi, good evening, Tejaswara.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Uh, what do you mean by Tejaswara?
Sir, Tejaswara means brightness and smartness, sir.
Brightness, and so
Yes, sir.
you're smart even.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, nice.
Thank you, sir.
So, yes, please introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Teja. I am a native of Srikakulam. Currently, I am residing in Hyderabad only. Coming to my education qualification, I have completed my BCom in the year 2019. I have completed my CA IPCC Group 1 also. Coming to my family background, we are 4 members in our family. My father is a farmer and my brother is into business and my mother is a homemaker. And myself, I am looking for a good opportunity. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, and performing some exercises and all.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay. So, you have 4 years of experience?
Yes, I have 3 years of experience.
3 years?
Yes.
Okay, fine, fine. Sorry. Okay, 3 years. Could you please explain your roles and responsibilities in your
Yes,
previous
sir.
organization?
Yes, sir. My previous organization is R2R Pharmaceuticals. I have been working as a junior accountant for 3 years from August 2020. My works are like timely posting of all types of journal entries into the system, preparing purchase orders for the required goods, and receiving sales orders from the customers, and preparing contra entries and adjustment entries like accrual expenses, accrual incomes, pre-received expenses, and pre-received income, and updating cash receipts and cash payments into the system, performing two-way and three-way matching of invoices and purchase orders, and performing bank reconciliation statements, and taking the printouts of trial balance to check the arithmetical accuracy of the postings, and profit and loss account to know the profitability of the organization. Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are your responsibilities.
Yes.
Okay, so RRX Techs, like, is it a domestic company?
Yes, sir. It's a domestic company. It is into drugs and manufacturing, wholesale trader in that.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, fine, fine. So you are only the accountant over there, or you
Yes,
have
sir.
any?
I'm a junior accountant and one senior accountant is also there. Sir.
Okay, you have one more senior
Yeah.
accountant. Okay, so you take like more workload, or you're senior accountant?
Sir, up to accounting process, I am already doing, sir. Senior accounting taking the responsibilities like filing the returns, GST, and also.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, okay, fine, fine. But even you mentioned and that you are a IPCC Group 1 qualified person.
Yes, sir.
So when did you complete it?
Sir, I completed it in 2018 November, sir.
2018.
Yes, sir.
Long back.
Yes, sir.
So why? What about Group 2? You don't you want to clear it, or?
Yes, sir. I have pursued chartered accountancy course along with BCom, sir. After that, I was quite eager to utilize my theoretical knowledge into practical knowledge. That's why I went to job, sir. Then I could not find enough time to prepare for that, sir. And that's why I'm still pursuing, sir. I strongly believe that one day I will be a chartered accountant, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
But how? I mean, do you manage the time? Like, I mean, how you
Yes,
gonna
sir.
manage
I
it?
will utilize the every point of time whenever I feel. I will use that and accomplish that, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's your goal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So fine. After 3 years, now you are looking for this opportunity.
Yes, sir.
But what's your target after next 5 years?
Sir, after next 5 years, I want to be in a best position in my area of work, sir.
Best position.
Yes.
What is the best position for you?
I think it will be a senior manager. I think.
Okay, you want to become a senior manager.
Yes, sir.
So, do you know like any of the responsibilities? What would be for a senior manager?
Right now, I don't know, sir. Once I get into the job, I will try to know the every responsibilities of all positions into the company, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. That sounds good. So, how long you're comfort with working with our company? I mean,
Sir, I strongly believe that to get the total knowledge of a position, we need to work for at least 2 to 3 years, sir. Right now, I am very passionate for this position, sir. That's why I don't have a thought to leave the organization right now. As so long as both are satisfied with our performance, I will be with the company, sir.
okay, okay, fine. So, You're from domestic.
Yes, sir.
This is a multinational company. I'm an
Yes.
MNC.
Yes.
Totally, it's going to be different.
Yes.
How could you manage it?
Sir, I will manage by prioritizing my tasks, sir. Like I have ability to break down the complex tasks into parts and come up with the best solutions, sir. Yes.
Then, are you a hardworking person or smart working?
Yes, sir. Depends on the situation. If I don't know the work, I will try to do hard work, sir. When I get learn to that, I will start my smart working, sir.
Okay. So, are you comfort working on nights and weekends if
Yes, sir.
the project demands?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir. I am flexible with any shifts.
Any shift.
Yes.
Even Saturday, Sundays.
Yes, sir. It depends on the priority of the work. I will choose work first.
Oh, fine. Then, what's your current CTC, Tejeshwara?
My current CTC is 3.5 mm, sir.
3.5?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are your expectations then?
Sir, I am expecting a better hike, sir, like 30 to 35% hikes.
Okay, is it negotiable or?
Yes, sir. I am open to negotiations as well.
Okay, that's fine. So, where do you stay, Aman?
Sir, my property is Srikakulam, but I have been residing in Hyderabad only since 3 years.
3 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you stay with your family or?
No, sir. I am staying in a hostel.
You're staying at hostel?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So you can shift over nearby.
Yes, sir. I will. Once I get into the job, I will shift out to a nearby location to this company, sir.
Okay, that's great. So yes, Tejeshwara. Fine. Thanks for all of the information.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hi Tejeshwara.
Hi, sir.
So how are you?
I'm good, sir.
So you done your HR round, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have a 3 years of work experience.
Yes, sir.
So that's totally into R2R or any other?
Yes, sir. General accounting and R2R.
R2R process. Okay. So what are the roles and responsibilities of an accountant?
As an accountant, roles and responsibilities are identifying the nature of the transaction. And first, initially, we need to assess what is the nature of the organization, whether it is into a industry, manufacturing, or service-based organization, or hybrid organization. Later, we need to assess whether it is a nature of transactions like cash transactions or credit transactions are happening. After that, we need to prepare journal entries. Later, we prepare ledger postings. After that, we prepare trial balance by using all closing balances from the ledgers. Later, we prepare financial statements like income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statements.
Okay.
After that, we prepare for internal audit to check the arithmetical accuracy of postings. And later, we need to assist for the audit team.
Okay. So that means you are good with your accounting.
Yes.
Yes. So responsibilities. So what is GAP?
Sir, GAP means generally accepted accounting principles, sir. GAP is nothing but concepts and conventions that are need to be followed while preparing your books of accounts, sir. Concepts are basic conditions, rules, regulations, and policies that are to be followed. And conventions are like basic customs, traditions, and where circumstances where these customs and traditions may or may not be followed.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So do you have an idea on the concepts?
Yes, sir.
So what is going concern concept?
Sir, according to the going concern concept, the entity will continue its operations based on the assumption that business will continue in future, sir. Like it will purchase fixed assets, sir. It will usually has a useful life of more than 1 year, and it also charges depreciation. From that, we can clearly know that entity is following going concern concept.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So what is conservatism?
Sir, according to the conservatism concept, it's a convention, sir. We should recognize all expected expenses and losses, priority to the expected incomes and gains, sir. We should clear off them first. That's why it is called safeguarding principles of accounting.
Okay. It's called as safeguard.
Yes, sir.
So, what is R2R process?
Sir, R2R process is a crucial financial reporting process, sir. It involves collection of data, consolidation, and analyzing financial reporting. Sir, it also involves preparation of ledgers, sub-ledgers, reconciliations, and financial reporting, sir.
Financial reporting.
Yes.
So, do you book accruals?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is accrual concept?
Sir, according to the accrual concept, we should recognize all accrual expenses and accrual incomes once it is due, sir, irrespective of the fact whether it is due, whether it is received or paid.
Okay. It is not paid or anything. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so I want to know what are the R2R steps and what are the process in the R2R?
Sir, the steps involved in R2R process is like first we need to collect the data, sir. Once the transaction happens, we need to collect all the required documents related to that transaction. Based on the transaction, by using that supported documents, we prepare journal entries, sir. After that, we post journal entries into ledgers, sir. It is general ledger maintenance. Later, we prepare reconciliations. After that, we do consolidations and financial reporting, sir.
Okay. So, what is accounts receivables?
Sir, in general terms, account receivables means the amount receivable by the company from the customer for the purpose of selling of goods and services on credit basis. In financial terms, it is one of the financial process that tracks and manages the receipts from the customers for the purpose of goods sold on credit basis. It is important because it ensures the timely receipt of payments from the customers, and it discourages the delayed payments from the customers, and to maintain effective cash flows, sir.
Okay. So, I want to give you one scenario.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you have purchased goods worth of 1 lakh.
Yes, sir.
So, suddenly there is a from fire accident.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, and total goods are damaged.
Yes, sir.
You applied for the insurance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the insurance company accepted to pay rupees 75,000.
Yes, sir.
So, what are the journal entries that you passed in your books?
Yes, sir. Then the general entries are like insurance claim receivable account that are 75,000, loss of goods by fire account that are 25,000, to inventory account 1 lakh, sir.
Inventory
Later,
account. Okay.
profit and loss account that are to loss of goods by fire 25,000, sir. Later, once the claim is receivable, then bank account that are to insurance claim receivable account 75,000, sir.
Okay, perfect. So, I want to know one more journal entry.
Yes, sir.
So, what is depreciation journal entry?
Sir, depreciation journal entries is like a depreciation account that are to fixed assets account, sir. When we maintain accumulated depreciation, we need to pass 2 more entries, sir, like depreciation account that are to accumulated depreciation account, accumulated depreciation account that are to fixed assets account, sir.
Good. So, what is the journal entry when you transfer gross profit to profit and loss account?
Yes, sir. Trading account that are to profit and loss account.
Okay. Trading account that are to?
Trading account that are to profit and loss account.
Okay. So, do you have knowledge on the SAP?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what are the T codes you know?
Yes, sir. To check the vendor line items, we use FBL1N. To check the customer line items, we use FBL5N. To make automatic payments to bank, we use F-110. To run manual payments, we use F-53. To make advance payment to the vendors, we use F-48. Sir.
Okay. So, yes, what is your current package you are getting? CTC?
Sir, I am getting 3.5, sir.
3.5. So, what is your expectation?
Sir, I am expecting a better hike, sir. 30%, 30 to 35% hike, sir.
Do you have all the documents related to your previous organization?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the notice period?
Sir, my notice period is 20 days.
20 days. So, is there any negotiable that you can join in immediately, like
Yes, sir.
7 days?
I need to inform to my manager, sir, before joining. I am sure that he will convince me, sir. He will be convinced.
Where do you stay?
I am staying in a hostel, sir.
Hostel.
Yes.
So, in which location?
In Himayat Nagar, sir.
Okay. Fine. So is there any questions to ask me?
Sir, what will be the shift timings?
Shift will be, it's a UK shift.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the login timing will be at 12:30.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and in month ends you need to stretch.
Okay,
So
sir.
why? Because it's on to R2R process.
Yes, sir.
So are you able to handle this process, like handing of the stretch,
Yes,
like
sir.
in the month ends?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Fine. So Tejaswara.
Yes,
So if you'll get an call with from the HR if you are going to select.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks for your interview.
Thank you, sir.